Have you ever been puzzled by a log message that just doesn't seem to format correctly? If you're a Python developer, you might have encountered this issue while using unit tests assertLogs. Today, we're diving into whether assertLogs can check the format of a log message. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your logging doesn't behave as expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when trying to ensure their log messages are formatted correctly. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Can I use Python's unit test assertLogs to check the formatting of a log message?" They noticed that while one log message included the line number, another didn't seem to follow the expected format. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The user suspects that assertLogs might only check one stream handler and defaults to its standard formatter. This is a common point of confusion, and understanding how logging works in Python is crucial for troubleshooting. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to effectively check log message formats and a workaround for this issue. To address the user's question about checking the format of a log message using Python's unit test assertLogs, we first need to understand how assertLogs captures log output. Next, the user should ensure that the logging configuration is set correctly before the assertLogs context. This means configuring the logger to use the desired format. Now the user should run their logging code within the assertLogs context. This will allow them to capture the log output and check its format. After capturing the log output, the user can then check the format of the log message using assertions. This is where they can verify if the output matches the expected format. Finally, if the user finds that the format is still not as expected, they may need to adjust their logging configuration or consider using a different approach to test the logger's format. Fun fact, did you know that logging was first introduced in Python 2.3? It's come a long way since then, but some quirks still remain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user found a helpful workaround for checking log message formatting. They suggest modifying the assertLogs context to use a custom logging format. By setting the logging format to their defined format, they ensure that assertLogs uses the same format for testing. Here's a pro tip. Always test your logging configurations in a separate environment before deploying. This can save you from unexpected surprises in production. And there you have it. You now have a better understanding of how to check log message formats in Python. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Python programming.